Hiya, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some resin stud earrings. So what I've got down here is I've got these tiny little moulds. So that's a little triangle one, and then that's like a little hexagon sort of one. So they're really tiny. So we're going to make up couple of sets of earrings and I'll show you how I do it. So in here I've just got some leftover resin of a previous project. So in here I had previously mixed some magical violet, and then I thought I wanted to do black earrings, so then I put in some black pigment as well, and it's created this almost galaxy looking colour. So to pour these tiny moulds, if you were to simply just pour, you're going to overspill and it just won't work. So to do it, I'm literally got to make sure they're flat as well. They tend to not like to stay flat. I've just got a tiny bit on my stick and I'm literally just going to let it drop in. Let it drop in, let it even itself out, and then you can go back and add more. And that's those done. So we're going to let those cure up. I know they're tiny to see there, and then we'll come back and do the remaining bit. So it's been 24 hours and these moulds are all set now. So just show you those close up. So now you just have to get these out, and they're quite hard to get out because they're so tiny. So I'm just going to get these out of the moulds. So that's the earrings out of the moulds. And now the next step, so I've got this kit from Amazon. So you've got the earring backs, and then it comes with different size blanks on the back. So it comes with 4mm, 5mm, and I think 8mm. So that's the big ones. But you can see they're too big. I'll probably use the small ones. Where are they? Here. And I'm gonna be mixing up some resin for another project, and then I'll use the resin to basically stick these onto the back of the earrings. So let's just check that they fit. So there's the back there, and basically with some resin I'm going to mix up some resin, let it focus, And once the resin is mixed, we're going to use that to adhere that on. So one thing I wanted to show you, these are some stud earrings that I've done previously. I just never had any backing to put on there. And these are the like hexagon ones. They just don't stand up and they just topple over when you try and put the backs on. So I've got one of these ring moulds. I mean, obviously on the other one I put them back in the mould holder to hold it up. But I've just used this ring mould to hold up the earrings. So you need to like have something to stand them up, otherwise they're just going to topple. So whatever you've got handy, I've used this ring mould to do it. So just thought I'd give you that little notice or little warning.